Hey TTC family, it's Miss T here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be learning on how to spell and write the color orange. So the word orange has 6 letters, and those letters are O, R, A, N, G, E. And ORANGE spells the word orange. Now I want you to spell the word orange with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. ORANGE spells the word orange. Awesome job. So now we're going to move on and now write the word orange. So the first letter is O. After O, we have R. After R, we have A. After A, we have N. After N, we have G. And after G, we have E. And ORANGE spells the word orange. Nice job. Let's go ahead and write the word orange one more time together, TTC family. So we know our first letter in the word orange is O. After O is the letter R. After R, we have A. After A, we have N. After N, we have G. And after G, we have the last and final letter E. And ORANGE spells what word, friends? Yes, it spells the word orange. Nice job. All right, TTC family, I have a little scavenger hunt I want you guys to do. So in your house, I want you to go find something that is the color orange. And then in the comments below, tell Miss T what you found that was in your house that was orange. So go ahead on a little scavenger hunt. Go and try to find something that is orange. And then let me know in the comments below what you found that was orange. What item did you find that was orange? Alrighty, TTC family, bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.